currently in Georgia still. I just picked up about I completed everything. I weighed out the trailer, drove for a decent amount of time, and then I just decided to pull into this fuel stop, the Flying J. And get some fucking I needed fuel and I needed fuel for my stomach as well. So that's what I'm here doing, just waiting for my food to be ready. And it's too cold in there, so it's breezy as hell in there. So I'ma just wait. I'ma just eat that bitch in the whip, and then once it's ready, then I'm off. Fucking tired as well. I woke up. I know I need to catch up on rest, so I told myself I'm gonna eat. I'll probably drive a little more depending on how many miles I got left, and then I'll just crash. I know I ain't get 300 miles yet. That'd have been nice to have 700 left to take off. But most likely that's not gonna happen. But it's cool because I gotta drop at 5, so that gives me hella time to get an extra amount of miles. And that's just what it is. It's the life that we chose.